today we have a little bit of a review class on the places animals live. First, though, we're going to review what we learned just yesterday, okay? Who remembers what change means? Who remembers the word change? Riku, what does the word change mean?
Change mean before from that is not dirty and after is dirty.
So are they the same or are they different?
Different.
Very good. So if something changes, it's different after. Nice work, Riku. Okay, so what happens to living things when a habitat changes? So when the before and after of a habitat are different, what happens to living things? Jack, could you read that for us?
People, animal, plant, and weather can all harm the living thing in a habitat. They can cause the habitat to change.
Very good. Can you say the word harm again? Harm.
Harm.
Very good. That also means hurt. So there are 4 things that can harm a habitat and cause it to change. Who can tell me the 4 things that we just read? They're somewhere in here. What are the 4 things that can cause a habitat to change? Lion?
Plant.
Good. Plants is one of them. Good job, Lion. Who can give me another one? Lily? Lily and Perry and John, can each of you give me another?
No. I'm not sure.
All right. You 3 take a look at the reading. Look at the reading. It says 4 things that can cause a habitat to change. Those 4 things can cause a habitat to change. Plants is one of those things. What are the other 3? All right, Perry and John, try again.
Animal.
Good. Nice. John says animals is one. Perry, do you know another one? There are 4 things. So far we have 2. We have plants, animals. What are the other 2 things that can cause a habitat to change? Susie?
People.
People and what's the 4th one?
People and weather.
Weather. Good job, Susie. So, people, weather, plants, animals, these 4 things can cause a habitat to change. Here we have them again. How can people change a habitat? Leo, how can people change a habitat?
Throw trash everywhere.
Throw trash everywhere. Nice one, Leo. What else do people do that change a habitat? How about Tom? Tom, what else can people do that change a habitat?
Making smoke.
Yes, so when we make things smoke, that's called light things on fire, like trash or the forest. Good job, Tom. Let's see, Robert.
Maybe the weather is too hot and the tree will burn up.
Yes, great job. A tree will dry up. So that's what this picture is. Can you say drought?
Drought.
Very good, drought. There's not enough water. Great work. Pirates. Pirates, how can weather change a habitat?
The weather.
For example, a drought. What other weather did we talk about yesterday? What happens when there's too much water?
Flood.
Yeah, good. There's a flood. Maybe there's hurricanes, lightning. Good job, pirates. Okay, so here's one example. Lightning can strike a forest and start a fire. How was the forest changed by the fire? Thuy Anh, how's the forest changed by the fire?
It is not like when it didn't have a fire.
Yeah, you're right, it's different. How is it different, Thuy Anh? Can you give me an example?
Yes. The tree is
So the word for that is burnt. Can you say burnt?
birch.
Burnt. Good. If it's burnt, that means it was on fire. Now it's burnt. Good job, Thuy Anh. So, what do you think will happen to the plants and animals? Thomas, what happens to the plants and animals when you burn the forest?
Some will move to the other habitat, and the other will be extinct.
Very good. Good job, Thomas. Some might move to another habitat. Some might die. And if all of them die, they'll be extinct. Nick had a great idea, Nick. What happens after that? I'm sorry, Nick. I'm not sure why it won't unmute you, but Nick said it can grow again. New animals and plants can come and grow where the old ones used to live. Great job, Nick, and good job, Thomas. Okay. So when habitats change, animals and plants might not get what they need to live. So what happens if a habitat changes and now they can't get what they need to live? Who can read this question for us? What's the question we are trying to answer? Pony, could you read this question?
When habitat change, animals and plants might not get what they need to live.
Very good. So can you read this question up here, Pony?
What happens to the animal when their habitat changes?
Very good. Can you say the word changes?
Changes.
Very nice, Pony. Great job. So what happens to the animals when their habitat changes? Let's find out. Let's see. Alex, could you read this for us?
Some animals move to another habitat. Others might die when all of one kind of or animal dies. It is instinct, like a dinosaur.
Yes, excellent, like a dinosaur. Everyone say the word Everyone say extinct. Good, extinct. So when all of one kind of animal dies. So if every single giraffe in the world died, they would be extinct. Leo, can you read this definition of extinct up here?
Yes. Yeah.
Go ahead.
Extinct means no more of that plants or animal left.
Very good. Excellent work. All right, for example, this is a woolly mammoth. Everyone say woolly mammoth.
Woolly mammoth.
Great job. All right, so who can read this for me? Jack, can you read this?
When their habitat change, woolly mammoths become
Can you see the word at the bottom? This says, can you say extinct?
extinct.
Very good, Jack. Thank you. So what does it mean that they became extinct? What does that mean? Ben?
Them gonna dead forever.
Exactly. They're all dead forever. Okay. So what happens to plants and animals when a habitat changes? They can move, they can die, or they can adapt. If they all die, they become extinct. There are no more left. Okay, I know some of you did your homework, but since we didn't really learn it until today, I'm going to give an extra day for people to do their homework. So if you did not find an extinct animal and draw it, do it tonight. If we have time at the end of class, I'll show one or two, but if not, we will share a lot of them tomorrow, okay? So we'll go over your extinct animals tomorrow. All right, let's go into our review. What is adaptation? Who remembers? Raise your hand in your video. I can see all of your faces. Raise your hand in your video if you remember what adaptation means. No one? No one has their hands raised in their video? All right, I'll remind you all then. Remember, adaptation is a body part or behavior that helps an animal survive, that helps it live. A body part or behavior that helps an animal survive. All right. Dragon and Tiger, can you guys read the definition for adaptation?
Adaptation, a body part covered out above of the help an animal survive.
Very good. Can you say the word behavior? So, who remembers then? What adaptation does a frog have to live in the rainforest? Nick, what adaptation does a frog have to live in the rainforest?
They wear flippers.
Yeah, wait, say that again?
Wet flippers.
Good, they're not called flippers though. Webbed They're just feet, right? Webbed feet. Very good job though, Nick. What else? What other adaptation does a frog have to live in the rainforest? Perry? It hops. Excellent. That's an adaptation. It has long back legs so it can hop. What about the camel? What adaptation? Remember, adaptation is body part or behavior. What adaptation does a camel have to live in the desert? What helps the camel live in the desert? Na'an?
I don't know, I can't remember.
That's okay. Think about it a little more, okay? How about Tom? Tom, what adaptation does the camel have to live in the desert?
A hump.
A hump. Very good. What does the hump do for it, Tom? Oh, he's already muted himself. Pony, what does the hump do for the camel?
When the camel takes long time for seeing its food, the hump helps it.
Excellent answer. It keeps food and water so it can go a long time. Very good job, Pony, and good job, Tom. All right, let's see. What adaptation does a frog have to live in the rainforest? A, brown skin. B, large body. C, sticky feet. D, dry skin. Everyone say a letter on 3. Everyone say the letter. What adaptation does a frog have to live in the rainforest? A, B, C, or D? Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Fish. C.
Good. C, sticky feet. Nice work, everybody. All right. What adaptation does a cactus have to live in the desert? What adaptation does the cactus have? Tiger and dragon?
C. Me.
Can you read the whole picture? B, long roots. Good job, guys. The cactus has long roots so it can get water. Okay, let's do some quick review. Who can read the definition of a grassland? Robert?
Grassland, a large open place with a lot of grass.
Very good. Nice work, Robert. What about a forest? What is a forest? Hai Long, what is a forest?
The forest is a land with many trees and many animals.
Excellent. A place where there are many tall trees and animals. Very good job. Who can read what a lake is? What is a lake? Lily?
A body of the water that all around it.
Good.
1, 3, 4.
Good job. So a lake has land all around it. Are lakes fresh water or salt water? Do you remember?
Fresh water.
Good, they're fresh water. Some lakes can actually be salt water, but most lakes are fresh water. Nice work. Okay, and ocean. Who wants to read about the ocean? Nick, can you read about ocean?
Yes.
Go ahead.
Ocean, a body of salt water that is very large and deep.
Excellent job. Great job. So it's salt water. Salt water that is large and deep. Okay, you guys know the drill. Draw a line, no scribbling, and no shapes, okay? That's mean to your classmates. Your classmates want to practice, so let's be kind to each other. Draw a single line from ocean or lake to what belongs to it. Ready, set, draw. Go ahead and draw a line from ocean or lake. Nice. Looking good, everybody. Good. I see Pony. I see Leo, Riku. All right, a lake. Freshwater, smaller and shallow, and a couple saltwater. Very true. Ocean, all salt water. Very good. And big and deep. Nice work, guys. Okay, next one. Oh, first, can someone read this ocean fact for us? John, could you read this ocean fact?
Yes.
Thank you.
Oceans are the large habitat on Earth.
Very good, John. So whenever we add an EST onto the end of the word, that means it's the most, it's the largest. Can you say largest?
Larger.
Good, so largest or the biggest habitats on Earth. They're so big. Great job. Can everyone actually say this word? Everyone say largest.
Largest.
That means the most large. It's the biggest. Nice job, everybody. All right. What adaptations do fish have to live in the water? Leo, do you know an adaptation that fish have that live in the water?
Yes.
Good. Go ahead.
Gills and fins.
Excellent. Gills and fins. Those are the two first ones that I came up with too. Nice work, Leo. And Naan, could you read these 4 adaptations for us?
Gills, fins, mouth to eat plants, teeth to eat animals.
Very good. Nice work, Naan. So it has all these different adaptations, different mouths to eat plants, different teeth to eat animals. Great work, Naan. All right. What adaptation does a giraffe have to live in the grasslands? A, B, C, or D, all of the above? Thuy An?
Long neck. C.
It does have a long neck, but maybe some other things too. That's a good start, Thuy An. Susie, what do you think?
All of the above.
Very good. What do you think it has the brown and tan fur for, Susie?
It can camouflage.
Excellent, so that it can camouflage. Great answer. What adaptation does a frog have to live in a pond? Everyone say this one. Is it A, fur, B, a big nose, C, webbed feet, D, dry skin? Everyone say the letter. Ready? 1, 2, 3. tree? Good job. It has webbed feet. All right. How do animals use trees? Who remembers? How do animals use trees? Thomas?
They use them to live in.
Great, to live in. That's a very good reason. Alex, are you there?
Eat them.
Very good. Animals eat the trees. Alex, could you read this for us?
Some animals use a tree for food. Woodpeckers have long, sharp beaks to get food from inside a tree.
Very good, Alex. Here's another one. Who can read this one for us? How about Dragon and Tiger?
Other animals live in or store food inside trees.
Very good. What is this chipmunk doing? Dragon and Tiger? Keep listening. What is this chipmunk doing? How is it using the tree?
Chipmunk
Or squirrel, sorry, squirrel.
is collecting a food.
Excellent, it's collecting food. Nice job, guys.
How do animals?
All right, here's the last one. You can read about this animal. Riku, could you read this for us?
Yes, beaver use trees to build them so they have a safe place to live.
Very good, Riku. Don't forget to include the S on the end of the word, okay? Beavers use trees with the S. Can you say it one more time?
Beavers, trees.
Good, much better, Riku. Excellent work. So beavers use trees to build dams. What adaptation does a woodpecker have to find food in the forest? I want to know what adaptation it has to find food. Only to find food. John, go ahead, John.
A sharp beak.
Very good, a sharp beak. What does it use its feathers for, John?
I'm not sure.
What do you think? Just take a guess. What do you think they might use its feathers for?
To keep warm.
Yeah, good. Maybe it's to keep warm. Excellent. But not to find food. Good job, John. All right, everyone. Let's do some matching. Same thing. Remember, draw one single line. No scribbling, no shapes. So draw a line from the habitat to the picture of the habitat. Is everyone ready to draw? Yes?
Yeah.
Okay, ready, set, draw. Looking good, everybody. I see pirates, Lily. Nice. All right, grassland is the top one. Good work. Desert goes down to the very bottom. Down here, very good. Rainforest is this one up here. And forest changes colors. Very nice, everybody. Good memory. Let's try this one. Match the word to its definition. All right, everyone take a moment to read the definitions. All right, ready, set, draw. Nice, Thomas. First one, Pony, Perry. Good. Pirates, I see you too. Jack, good job. Tom, nice. Guys, no scribbling. All right, everyone, this is looking good. Very nice. I think you guys got them all right. I'll draw the lines quickly and then erase yours so that we can see the words. Okay, who can read the definition for habitat? How about Susie?
The place where an animal lives.
Very nice, Susie. All right, Lily. Lily, can you read the definition for lake?
Live fresh water with land all around it.
Very good. Thank you, Lily. All right, how about ocean? Naan, can you read about ocean?
A large, deep body of salt water.
Very good, Naan. And Nick, can you read the definition for adaptation?
Adaptation is a body part of or behavior that helps an animal survive.
Very good, Nick. All right, guys, good job. Same thing. Everyone get ready to draw about how plants help animals. Ready? Go. How do plants help animals? Very good. Looking nice, everyone. All right. Good. The bird's nest is shelter, a place to live. The woodpecker is pecking at the tree to find food, and the bunnies are using the dead tree to hide. Good job. How about this one? Once again, how do plants help animals? The first one is the same. What about these two? These two are different. Ready? Set, draw. How do the elephant and the lions use plants? How do the plants help them? All right, we have some mixes. So the lions do not use the plants for food. The lions only use the plants to hide because they're carnivores. The elephant could use the plants to hide or for food. Good job, guys. All right, how do animals help plants? Pony, how do animals help plants?
Spread seeds.
Spread seeds. Who has another one? How about Susie?
Animal can spread seeds.
So we've said spread seeds. Do you know one of the other two, Susie?
Pollinated.
Pollination, very good. They can spread pollen. There's one more. How about lion? Lion, do you know the last one?
Will have the nether, but then they will go to there and then spider eat.
Yes, great. The spider eats the bugs on the plant and that helps the plant stay safe. All right, Let's see if you remember what we just said. Everyone, go ahead and draw. Draw one line. Pollination, spreading seeds, and protecting it. All right, nice work. The spider helps protect it. The bee helps with pollination. And the bird helps spread seeds. Very good job, everybody. And how do animals need animals? Let's see. Animals eat animals. Animals clean other animals. And the mosquito sucks the blood of other animals. Okay. Lily, please stop drawing. We're out of time, but just remember that animals need food, water, and shelter to live. Food, water, and shelter. Can someone read this fact at the very top? Robert, can you read the fact at the top?
The source of all energy on Earth is the sun.
Very good. So the sun gives energy to the plants, which gives energy to the animals. So the source of all energy is the sun. All right, guys, your homework tonight is your quizzes. Everyone do your best on your quizzes. And remember, feel free to do your extinction homework. If you haven't found an extinct animal yet, you can do it tonight, okay? All right, I will see you guys tomorrow. Goodbye, everybody.